students, today we are going to discuss about a cross multiplication method. The method to find out the solution of pair of linear equations in two variables. See, if we have two equations, first equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, and second equation a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. And if a1 b2 minus a2 b1 is not equal to 0, then this equation will have a unique solution. Or in another word, we can say a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then we will have unique solutions. And if you want to find out the value of x and y, then here are the formulas for x and for y. So formula for x, that is b1c2 minus b2c1 divided by a1b2 minus a2b1, and same way formula for y, c1a2 minus c2a1 divided by a1b2 minus a2b1. These are the formula of x and y. So if you want to find out the formula of x and y, let's see the method here. For example, if you want to find out this formula for x, then consider the coefficient of x, y and constant here. Let me write here a1, b1, c1. Again write a1, b1. And here for second equation a2, b2, c2, a2, b2. Okay. Now if you want to find out the value of x, here we will do the cross multiplication of these two rows to find out the value of x. First we will multiply this b1 with c2, b1 c2 minus b2 c1. This is what you can see here, b1 c2 minus b2 c1. And into the denominator we will consider this row. This will be in denominator. The cross multiplication of a1 b2 minus a2 b1. This is in the denominator. The denominator will remain same for x and for y. For both the value, the denominator will remain same. Now this is for value formula of x. Now same way, if you want to find out the formula for y, then we will consider these two. First we will multiply this c1 with a2 minus c2a1. So this is c1a2 minus c2a1. And denominator, you know, this is the denominator. So this way you can find out the value of x and y. Let's do some examples to understand it more carefully. See the first example, first question. Which of the following pair of linear equations has unique solution? No solution or infinitely many solutions. In case there is unique solution, then find it by using cross multiplication method. So first of all, let's check whether this given equation has unique solution or no solution or infinitely many solution. If you have a unique solution, then we will find out by using cross multiplication method. So you know how to find out whether the pair of linear equation has unique solution or no solution or infinitely many solutions. Yes, there are three conditions that we have explained earlier. So here let's see, in the first equation a1 is 1, b1 is minus 3, c1 is minus 3, and same way a2 is 3, b2 is minus 9, and c2 is minus 2. So if we check the ratio a1 by a2, it is 1 divided by 3. The ratio of b1 by b2, that is minus 3 divided by minus 9, that is also equal to 1 by 3. And ratio of c1 by c2, c1 is minus 3 and c2 is minus 2, so we will get ratio 3 by 2. So here we get the ratio a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. So this is the condition for no solution. So this pair of linear equation will have no solutions. If you don't remember the condition, let me write it here. First condition, if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then we will get unique solution. Second condition, if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, then we will have infinite solution. And the third condition that is written here, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2, then we will have no solution. If you don't seen that video, then click on the I button, you can see that video. Okay, let's see the second question. 2x plus y equal to 5 and 3x plus 2y equal to 8. So first of all, write it in general form. 2x plus y, this 5 will go into this side, because minus 5 equal to 0. And second equation, 3x plus 2y minus 8 equal to 0. So if we check here, the ratio of a1 by 2. So a1 is 2 and a2 is 3 here. Same way ratio of b1 by b2. So b1 is 1 and b2 is 2. So here we can directly say that a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. No need to find out the ratio of c1 and c2 because this is not equal. So we will have unique solution. So let's solve these equations by cross multiplication method. So first we will write a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2. Again we will write a1, a2, b1, b2. Now for the value of x, first we will multiply these two. Let me write it here. We'll cross multiply. 1 multiplied with minus 8, that will be minus 8, minus 2 multiplied with minus 5, that will be minus 10. And in the denominator, we will multiply these terms. 2 multiplied with 2, that is 4, and 3 multiplied with 1, that is 3. So 4 minus 3. So if you simplify it, you will get the answer. This minus 8 and minus minus plus 10. So you will get 2 divided by 1. So that is 2. So here we get the value of x is 2. And same way, if you want to find out the value of y, we will do the cross multiplication of these two terms. Minus 5 multiplied with 3, that is minus 15, minus 8 multiplied with 2, that is minus 16. And the denominator will remain same. Whatever we have in the denominator of x, the same denominator we will have in y. So if you simplify it to minus 15 minus minus plus 16, that will be 1 divided by 1, that is 1. So x equal to 2 and y equal to 1. This is our answer. Very simple method. Let's see one more example. Here in the third question, if you write in general form, we can write 3x minus 5y minus 20 equal to 0. And second equation, 6x minus 10y minus 40 equal to 0. So here if you check the ratio of a1 and a2, that is 3 by 6. You can say 1 by 2. The ratio of b1 and b2, so b1 is 5 minus 5 and b2 is minus 10. So we'll get the ratio 1 by 2. And the ratio of c1 and c2, so c1 is minus 20 and c2 is minus 40. So we get the ratio 1 by 2. So here we get the ratio of a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Hence, this pair of linear equations will have infinite solutions. So we can't solve it by cross multiplication method. Let's see the next question. Here, if you check the ratio of a1 and a2, a1 is 1 and a2 is 3. The ratio of b1 and b2, so b1 is minus 3 and b2 is also minus 3, so ratio is 1. So here we can clearly say that a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So this is the condition for unique solution. Now, to find out the solution by unique cross multiplication method, we will arrange this coefficient of x, y and so on constant term. So that will be for a1, that is 1 minus 3 minus 7, again 1 minus 3. Here also 3 minus 3 minus 15. So 3 minus 3 minus 15. Again we will repeat this 3 minus 3. Now to find out the value of x, here we will do the cross multiplication of these two minus this. So minus 3 multiplied with minus 15. So it will be minus minus plus 45. Minus 3 multiplied with minus 7, that will be 21. And in the denominator, we will do the cross multiplication of this. 1 multiplies minus 3, that is minus 3, minus 3 multiplies minus 3, that is minus 9. So here we will get 45 minus 21, it will be 24, divided by minus 3 plus 9, it will be plus 6. So we'll get the value of x 4. And same way to find out the value of y, first we will multiply this 2 and then we will multiply this 2. So minus 7 multiplied with 3, that is minus 21, minus 15 multiplied with 1, that is minus 15, divided by, the denominator will remain same, this is only 6, we can directly write here. So in numerator we will get minus 21 plus 15, that is minus 6, divided by 6, so we get y equal to minus 1. This is our answer, x equal to 4 and y equal to minus 1. So this is how we can solve any pair of linear equation using cross multiplication method. I think if you